Good morning, friends. We'll start APARP 575, inspection of storage tanks. Annex A, selected non-destructive examination method. The ultrasonic thickness measurement dual element transducer have the ability to operate from the section 0.05 inch to 1 inch. So 0.05 inch, you can calculate how much mm. 25.4 is about 1.25 mm. So okay, to 1 inch, that is 25 mm. 25.4. Okay. Even it is more than this. Thin sections, okay, from thin sections up to this. This is as per paragraph A1. In performing ultrasonic thickness measurement, dual element transducers are recommended for measurement of penetration and floors, and for measurement on penetrations and floors, single crystal contact transducer is recommended on cells where coating thickness may not be uniform. So when it is not uniform, then single crystal is recommended. These are recommended practice. You can use anything. What is the minimum overlap for ultrasonic thickness reading according to ASME? 10% based on diameter of the transducer overlap. Okay, what is the ultrasonic method can be used to assist the discrimination between inclusion in the metal and lamination shear wave. Very small, so paragraph A3. The primary advantage of magnetic floor testing using the floor scanner is the ability to detect topside pitting and underside corrosion. Additional inspection is required to quantify flaws detected above certain thresholds. Generally, the method of examination is used for this purpose is ultrasonic. The next chapter is section 4, types of storage tanks. API 575 states that atmospheric storage tanks are used for fluids having a true vapor pressure at the storage temperature that is substantially below atmospheric. Only the temperature increase that time some vapors are there. What types of tank does API 575 consider the simplest type of atmospheric storage tank? Cone roof. There are so many things: dome roof, umbrella roof, pan type floating roof. Many things are there. You can go through chapter 4. The floating roof atmospheric storage tank is designed to do which of the following? Eliminate or minimize the vapor space above the stored liquid. So vapor space will minimize and it will not come out of the tank, which may be dangerous due to ignition, due to poisonous or anything it may be. The pan type floating roof is simplest type of floating roof design, which of the following is not most correct. The design is susceptible to sinking. 4.2.3.3.1. So I am taking this 2000, 575, 2020, sorry. Storage tanks that are designed to operate at pressure in their gas or vapor space exceeding 22.5 psi but not more than 15 psi are described. Which of the following low pressure storage tank? In the next chapter, section 5, regions of inspection and causes of deterioration. In general, why the storage tank inspected? To determine their physical condition and rate of deterioration. What is the prime cause of deterioration of steel storage tanks and accessories? Corrosion. A sand pad beneath the tank bottom is found to be contaminated with gravel and crushed stones. What type of problem could be this contamination cause? Pitting corrosion at points of contact. If soil movement raises the grade level to cover the lower portion of the cell, what would you as the inspector look for? Severe external corrosion of the cell just above the soil line, not beneath. Atmosphere corrosion can occur at all external parts of a tank. During your inspection, you notice considerable damage to the protective coating and accelerated corrosion rates. What would you suspect the cause to be? Sulfurous or acidic atmosphere? These are atmospheric corrosion. Internal corrosion in the vapor space above the liquid and crude oil and petroleum product tanks is commonly caused by hydrogen sulfide vapor, water vapor, oxygen, or any combination of the three. Of the following, which is not a point where cracks are most likely to occur? In the roof rafter, around the nozzle connection, around the rivet holes, bottom to cell connection. Yes, there is cracks. In the roof, there is leakage, holes because of corrosion or some water drainage problem, something like that. The, why the inspection of cracking of the lower cell to sketch plate? Weld is critical. This area is critical because in relatively large or hot tanks, it is more potential for cracking. Why it is important to check roof drains. Blocked drains can cause enough rainwater to accumulate on the roof to sink a pontoon type floating roof. Okay, we'll stop here.